Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Duh plus bull, double. Bi plus chin, bitchin. Double vision. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Art. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our show. We have two fabulous players on Classic Concentration today. Let me introduce you to this pretty young lady on my right. First of all, she has won over $5,000 in prizes, and her name is Lisa Lord. Pretty name for a pretty lady. Welcome back.
Nice to be back.
And her opponent is a dynamite player also. He's won over a couple of $1,000. He's eager. He's ready to go. He wants to win. His name is Mark Widger.
How you doing, Al?
I'm all right. Are you up for it?
I got it.
Okay. Now, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, there is one X in front of Lisa. That means she is vulnerable in this first game today. She's got to win it to stay alive in the match. If she wins the game, she could wind up with this prize.
You can enhance your dining pleasure with this fine china service for 8, designed to complement any occasion, furnished by Royal Prestige. Alex?
Boy, it's a good-looking set of china, isn't it? Let's show Lisa and Mark where they can find it on the board. 45-piece china set at 24. Now, the vacation in this game is a holiday in Switzerland.
Yeah.
Switzerland. All righty, let's go to work. Lisa?
Wow, that would be incredible. Let's try the center, number 13, please.
35mm camera package.
My husband would love that. Let's go to the corner, number 1.
Garden gift package. 2 packages, but different kinds.
Let's start off with number 3.
Table tennis set.
And let's try to find a match for that on number 12.
Switzerland. No match?
Really would love that trip. Let's
Lisa?
look for a wild card under number 7.
Switzerland.
Oh, number 12 for the match.
Number 12, let's open it up. Don't delay. I think what happened, Lisa, is that when you selected number 7 and uncovered Switzerland, there was a big audience reaction. They said, oh, by gosh. And then when you called number 12, the person who's in charge of pressing the button to open the doors didn't hear it. But he has heard it now, and here's what those 2 doors hide in terms of the puzzle. Ha! That's what it hides.
Okay.
Ha! Select again.
Okay. Can I see number 10, please?
Diamond and gold pin.
Ooh, that'd be nice. Number 16.
35mm camera package, something we have seen, Mark.
Can I see number 4, please?
Wild card. Well, what are you gonna pair
let's
up
try
with the
number
wild card?
18.
Number 18,
Go for a
hoping
cake.
hoping for a take, but you get the diamond and gold pin. That's a good prize. The other diamond and gold pin at number 10. Prize goes into place, and we open 3 panels for Mark.
It's still a little bit early.
All right, select again.
How about number 11?
Wild card again. Oh, boy.
Let's try for a take under number 14.
Garden gift package. The other garden gift package we saw a few moments ago at number 1. 3 more panels opening for Mark. Mark, you realize that although you're in control of the board right now, you are giving Lisa fits because she is sitting there and on 2 selections you've managed to come up with a wild card and she's saying, no takes, no takes, no takes, please. Select again.
Let's try number 24, please.
45-piece china set.
And was that at number 15?
No, washer and dryer. Lisa?
I think I have a match number 13 and number 16.
The camera package, that's correct. See, now you're in good shape, Lisa, because with the camera package, if he gets a take, he might take the camera instead of the holiday in Switzerland. You believe that? Open it up.
Always hope.
Pick again.
Can I see number 19?
Table tennis set.
Was that at number 3?
Table tennis set was at number 3. The lady is staying alive in a very important game for her. Let's open these 2 panels and see what they reveal.
In the scheme of things?
Is it in the scheme of things? I guess it was meant to be in the scheme of things. Come on, Lisa. Let's go to the board. You're going to love this.
Okay, we have the hen sitting on the eggs. The plus ski and M is scheme. The light bulb is off of. Think plus Z is things in the scheme of things.
In the scheme of things. A solution of a puzzle, a victory in a game under great pressure. She was vulnerable, had that one strike against her. Now Mark Widger has one strike against him, and he'll be back to play in game number 2. That should be a dandy. We'll get to it in a little while. We'll see you then, Mark. Take care. And now, Lisa, you're going on a trip, and you've got a prize. Art, tell her all about it, please.
Lisa, you've got yourself a table tennis set and a 35mm camera package, which you can use on your trip to Switzerland. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Frankfurt. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Hotel Zurich, a modern deluxe hotel in the heart of Zurich on the bank of the Lamop River. Features indoor swimming pool, fitness club, and shopping arcade. Enjoy Swiss hospitality furnished by Hotel Zurich. Prize is worth $6,534.
Big win for Lisa. Now, yesterday, when she won the first $5,000, her husband was not here in the studio, but he figured when she came home, wait a minute, she won $5 grand. I'm going to show up and encourage her today so that I can get to share in some of that, right?
That's right.
Is that a pretty good assessment?
Absolutely.
Well, he wants you to win a brand new car for both your sakes. And we'll put it to the test right after this commercial. We've talked about him. Let's put him on camera right now. This is Lisa's husband, Kevin, who is an actor and a furniture maker. I won't ask which is more lucrative profession right now, Lisa. Okay. I'm sure you guys could use a new car, however.
Oh, absolutely.
All righty.
All his tools.
So haul all his tools around?
That's right. I'm sick of him in my car.
All right. 15 numbered squares, and you're working with 45 seconds on the clock. So good luck. Off you go.
1, 3.
No.
13, 15.
No.
8. 4. 5, 6.
No.
4, 6.
No.
13, 6.
No.
15. 11.
No.
2. 5.
No.
11. 10.
No.
2. 10.
Yep.
7. 8.
No.
6. 8.
Yep.
14. 1.
Yep.
3. 13.
No. No, I think you did better last time.
Yeah.
Maybe we ought to get Kevin to leave the studio. He's making you nervous. But meanwhile, you've got $11,599 in prizes. You got a vacation in Cancun. You got one in Switzerland. And you're on a roll. We'll be back with game 2 after this. Well, we've seen Lisa's cheering section in Kevin, and we know there's a beagle named Boo Boo somewhere who's cheering her on, along with 2 other dogs, but we don't know if Mark has anyone in our studio audience today.
No, I don't.
You came alone.
I came alone.
You're gonna go home alone.
Yeah, sure will, just like the movie.
It's a lonely life, Mark.
It sure is.
Well, turn that around.
Okay.
Win a game or something. Hey, if there is somebody special in your life, I'm sure she would appreciate this.
Part of the Nancy Diamond Jewelry Design Collection. This bold and fashionable ring is crafted in 14-karat gold. Features a deep purple amethyst accented by channel-set diamonds. Furnished by the Nancy Diamond Company. Alex.
Let's put that on the board and tuck it in behind number 2, the amethyst and diamond ring. Bonus seconds in this game. Cash pot now up to $900, and we have a holiday in Tampa at a spa and fitness resort. And Mark, you get to pick first, but there is just the one wild card in this game. Good luck.
Okay, let's start off with number 10, please.
Choose 10 of your favorite novels.
And let's try a match for that under number 16.
Nope. Videotape library. Lisa.
Oh, I'd love that ring. Number 13.
Red tape.
That's nice, too. How about number 1?
Encyclopedia. Mark.
Let's try number 24, please.
5 bonus seconds.
I need those. Let's go for number 2.
Amethyst and diamond ring. The first break in the game goes to Lisa.
I really need those seconds, as we all know. How about number 17? And number
Green take.
15.
The bonus seconds. Mark.
Number 14.
No, Tampa Spa and Fitness Center.
Let's try for a match for that, and number 8.
Wild card, the only one in the game, and you use it on a great prize. At number 12. So 3 squares are going to open up in the middle part of this puzzle. Select again.
Number 22, please.
Red take.
And number 13.
There's a match. A little bit of insurance, huh? You immediately looked into her prize column. It's so early. You bad catch. He is greedy, isn't he? I mean, we're in the early stages of the game, and the first thing he did was look up and say, what can I grab? What can I grab? You got to wait, Mark. A little patience.
Right.
Take a look now at the puzzle. Pick again.
Number 11, please.
Cash pot.
And number 19, please.
Satin bedding. No match. Lisa.
I think I know where those seconds are. 15 and 24.
Right. She remembered. She was just sitting here waiting for Mark to make that mistake so she could grab that, make the match, put it up in her column.
Hoping I'd remember.
Hoping you'd remember that long, right? Mm-hmm. Open it up, please, for Lisa. Select again.
Can I see number 5?
Satin bedding?
And was that a number 16?
No.
No.
That's the videotape library.
Number 19, please.
19 is satin bedding.
And number 5.
That's satin bedding also. Now, Mark, you have a red take, and she has something that is very, very valuable. We don't know how valuable. Depends how you feel about your abilities to win the game.
I think I'll hold on to it, Alex.
Okay. All right, because if you get to the winner's circle, those seconds will really help. Open these 2 panels. Select again.
Number 17, please.
Green take.
And number 1.
No, that's the encyclopedia set. Lisa.
Can I see 21?
Dining room.
And number 10?
Choose 10 of your favorite
that's right.
novels. No. Mark.
How about number 7, please?
Amethyst and
And
diamond
number
ring.
2, please.
Amethyst and diamond ring. Yes. Red take is sitting there. Looks like a couple of important pieces will be revealed.
I'll save it for another turn, Alex.
When you say you'll save it for another turn, do you mean the next turn or
don't know
some other
yet.
term down the road?
Maybe some other one down the road, Alex.
Maybe some other one down the road. Hang on. He's passing on it now. He wants to see what's behind these 2 panels. Select again.
Number 9, please.
Chinese wok set.
I don't think we've seen that yet. Is number 17.
I think we've seen that.
Yeah.
No match. Lisa.
Can I see number 25?
Videotape library.
Was that number 16?
Yes. Brain just kind of
That's right.
veered
Lucky
in there,
for a
didn't
second.
it? Locked into place. All right. Open the panels. Go again.
Number 9?
Chinese wok set.
Oh, I don't have a clue. 18?
Green take. Mark.
Number 17, please. And number 18.
Fell into that one, didn't you, Mark? What do you say, folks, that this time he's going to take something?
Seconds.
He's going to take the money, somebody says?
Take the money.
Lady, you're in the wrong studio. little early in the day to be that heavy into the sauce. All right, open it up. Select again.
Number 4, please.
Chinese wok set.
And number 20.
Oh, no.
Oh,
no.
that's right. I blew
Big
it.
mistake. You may have blown it. Lisa,
Number 10.
choose 10 of your favorite novels.
Number 20. For the
20
math.
for the novels, yes. That works. That goes up there. And down here, we'll open the 2 panels for Lisa Lord. Pick again.
Number 6.
Encyclopedia.
21.
Ooh, nope.
No.
That's the dining room. Back to Mark.
Number 23, please.
Cash pot.
And number 11.
Cash pot. You still have the tape. The other tape's out of play, so if she has something you
I'll
want.
take the videotape library.
The videotape library. 2 prizes going into Mark's column. Will he enjoy those prizes by solving the puzzle? Let's find out now. Pick again.
Number 3, please.
Dining. Pick again.
Number 3, please.
Dining room.
And number 21.
Dining room. Let's open it.
Wooly Bully.
Is it Wooly Bully? And I'll bet you dime to a dollar that Mark didn't even know what Wooly Bully meant, or was, right?
I know.
It just-
Total guess.
Total guess. You're a little younger. Remember a hit song called Wooly Bully. But let's go to the board. You explain it.
Well, you have down here on the bottom here, you got the wool and the E, and this is a bully. So Wooly Bully.
Wooly Bully. Wooly Bully. Wooly Bully. Lisa, gosh, this was a terrific game.
was.
You guys
Had a lot of
nip
fun.
and tuck all the way.
That's right.
And I'm so happy for you because you're going
you.
away a winner. The holiday in Cancun, the other one in Switzerland. Prize is worth a total of about $11,500. Congratulations.
Happy lady. Thank
Good luck.
you.
Take care. And Mark, congratulations to you on winning this game and on getting to enjoy these prizes.
Mark, you got a lot of prizes, starting with a cash pot worth $900. And satin bedding, Whisper Soft Mills, woven of 270 thread count. Luxurious super satin bedding designed for comfort and elegance, furnished by Whisper Soft Mills. A videotape library, MPI's home video, The Honeymooners' Lost Episodes, specially restored after discovery in Gleason's personal vaults. A cultural treasure furnished by MPI Home Video. A dining room, Bassett's Country Living dining room set with two-tone finish. It's practical and durable. Included in this versatile ensemble is a sideboard base and hutch, rectangular table, 4 ladder-back chairs furnished by Bassett. And you're going to a Tampa Spa and Fitness Center. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Tampa. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, while in-flight experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you may enjoy 7 nights of the Total Fitness Plan at Safety Harbor Spa and Fitness Center on Tampa Bay. Meals, daily massages, exercise classes, sports, skincare institute, and more. Furnished by Safety Harbor Spa and Fitness Center. And of course, the beautiful amethyst diamond ring and the 5 bonus car seconds. Prizes totaling $11,885.
$11,000 in this one game, and you're going to get to play for a brand new car with the bonus seconds added to the clock when we come back. This is one of those wonderful days when our contestants could walk away with about $40,000 in total prize winnings. Let's put Mark to the test right now. 15 numbered squares for him, 45 seconds on the clock, but we add the 5 bonus seconds, taking it up to 50. Good luck. Go to work.
All right. 1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
7, 9.
No.
10, 12.
No.
13, 2.
No.
3, 9.
No.
4, 11.
No.
6, 13.
Yep.
11, 9.
No.
4, 12.
No.
1, 9.
Yep.
5, 11.
No.
3, 11.
Yep.
7, 2.
You didn't get any kind of rhythm going
No, I
early. You
didn't.
didn't make any matches, but
No.
that's all right. You've accumulated $14,079 in prizes to this point, and you could win again. We'll take a break. Art?
Some of today's participants may receive Magnavox portable stereo AM/FM dual cassette recorder. It's smart, very smart. Its turbo bass generator gives it great sound performance, furnished by Magnavox. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Excuse me, folks. I got to wrap something up here with Margie. Mark, you heard her.
What?
She's treating for dinner tonight. Is that what you said?
That's right.
Now, who's invited? This Mark, our director, Mark Breslow. Anybody
Yes.
else? Anybody else you know and like?
Yes, I'm taking my dad out for an early Father's
Anybody
Day.
else?
No.
Obviously not
No,
me. We'll see you all tomorrow.
Not you.
This is Art James speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.